Hey, girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So today is Friday, which is very exciting. I'm very excited. But it's even more exciting because why? Because we are here to do some math. So let's get this party started. All right, let's get this party started. So yesterday you were doing a problem with Eleanor, who had 15 ribbons, and she gave 5 to her friend Beatrice, right? So how did you end up solving that? So one way you could have done it was to draw some ribbons, right? I don't know if these are really ribbons, but I'm doing my best. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 15 ribbons, right? Now she gave 5 of them to her friend Beatrice. We don't know why, but she did. She's a nice person. So if we take out 5 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are easily, you can see we are left with 10. So 15 take away 5 equals 10. Makes sense, right? You know how to do that. You're good at that. Number path, if you were at 15 and you went back 5, you'd end up at 10. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 15 minus 5 would give her, she'd still have 10 ribbons left. Okay? Today, you get to write your own word problem. It can be either addition or subtraction. You decide. If you need ideas, go back and look at some of the ones we've done this week. Be creative, right? There were 12 Godzillas and 5 King Kongs that got into a fight. I mean, I don't know, make something up, right? Show your work, right? So you want to actually solve it and do your equation, all right? And who knows, maybe your teacher will use it, and maybe other kids can try and solve it. And then we have our last day of shake and spill, not shake, rock, and roll. Same game, but this time you're going to do it with 16. Not 15, not 14, not 13, and not 12. 16. So that's 10 and 6 more. That makes 16. So put 16 of those counters in there, okay? And shake them up, spill them out, and see what combinations you can get. It's a really good way to see these fact families, right? Because as I've said, for example, if you know that, let's say you got 9 red and 7 yellow, okay, make 16. If you know that, then you also know what? What else do you know? You tell me. Well, you can't tell me because you're not on a video, but I can tell you, right? So you could also say 7 plus 9 equals 16, right? You could also do 16 take away 7 is 9, and 16 take away 9 is 7. That's a fact family because it's all connected. All right, so if you're like, what is 16 minus 9? Well, I know that 9 plus 7 is 16, so it must be 7. Okay? All right. So you've got your word problem that you're going to make up on your own. Super fun, super awesome, super amazing. You've got shake and spill, or you can call it shake, rock, and roll if you want, because that's what I like to call it. So you've got those 2 things, word problem, shake and spill. What else? You've got, your tens game where you match up the playing cards, right? The one that I taught you with my son, right? That's super fun. And if you want, you can play the 10 frame mania. Totally optional, up to you, not required. But if you're a math maniac like me, Saturday night, that's what you're doing. Maybe I'm kidding, maybe I'm not. Okay. All right, guys, have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Be good, be kind, and have fun with math, and I'll see you soon. All right. Adios, amigos.